In this Fibonacci example, you can see that this plant has decided to bifurcate itself in a triangular fashion, which is quite interesting because normally you might only see that. But this winter, this succulent decided to do this as well. And so I'm going to have to divide it in such a way that for it to survive in a healthy manner, each of these will have its own container, because right now it actually is, if I show you, in a very small container. Yes, it actually began in that container, one, and here it has grown massively, well beyond its spatiality.